4736, 4742, 46 Southwest, dates June 21st, 2022. Making this recording from the open excavation out here in the street. Got the camera pushed as far as I'm able to push upstream here, and the footage zeroed out. We're going to come back from this point. I've got 47. Yours is 4742.
No.
Yours is 4736. I've got 4736's synchron, and you can see the connection point to the sewer line there. And we're going to come back from there. 6-inch diameter clay line, right side of the pipe.
I'd like to take pictures, but without a good camera,
right side of the pipe must be the other home, 4742. We're coming up backwards since we're going upstream here. But back into the clay line, 6-inch diameter clay line. Concrete transition there. We're back in concrete pipe for a second. Lou, you can kick that sink off now.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
He was saying turn the water on, or he was saying we have water running.
He was just asking if you did.
We just got home. So.
Okay. Yeah, it just seemed like a heavy flow of water for just one sink running, but you must get pretty good pressure.
We have a big pipe.
Yeah.
1 inch.
But Lou doesn't. Lou, I'll bet Lou still has galvanized or might have.
What is that?
Well, we put this in. We put in a big pipe and have good pressure going all the way up the hill.
Put a 1-inch line in.
And then 2 boys.
And when you're taking a shower, you can flush all 3 toilets, and you still have water pressure.
We had 2 sons that took.
So do you know you're moving up in the world?
There you go.
It's like,
Back into clay. There's a connection to the line.
Shower and flush 3 toilets at the same time. When you're doing something. You made it. You made it.
We're going to pause here. I'm going to see if this is 4742's connection. Carl, do you mind going up and flushing your toilet one time?